Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be meal prepping. I haven't been very consistent with my meal prep and it has bit me in the butt because I've been buying fast food and not eating enough calories like I should be. And I'm trying to double my glute size, snatch up my waist, and I know I need to get better with my diet. So we're gonna run to the grocery store, come back and meal prep. If you're like me, a lazy gym girly, but you're trying your best and you're trying to stop eating out, definitely give these meals a try. Keep watching, but first, let's go to the grocery store. I'm gonna throw on something over top of this just because I'm not trying to get catcalled at the grocery store, and this fit definitely would get me there. Define Impact Deep Sea, the long line tank with the leggings, is a chef's kiss combo. Code Bailey will save you money. Like, literally, stop it. Stunning. Like, you guys. Okay, so for meal prep, we've got 3 pans going. For meal prep, I like to make it super quick and easy. And since I know I want to do chicken, ground turkey, and I have enough pans, I'm gonna cook them all at the same time. But this for sausage patties, I'm assuming this is still less processed than the ones that you put in the microwave. I just like that it was already in patty form, so this is what I'm going with. So we're gonna cook these for the sausage biscuits for the morning. And then the ground beef, I'm just gonna season while on the pan with some taco seasoning. Easy peasy. And then we're gonna cut up the chicken into little little bite-sized pieces. For butter chicken, this I should have gotten heavy whipping cream, because then I could have just made the butter chicken sauce here instead of the can, because it is pretty easy. But first we need to marinate it, season it, and then we will cook it. So we've got everything for the chicken. We've got a bowl. Now we're gonna mix it up, let it marinate a little bit. Chicken gives me the ick. That's why I like eating out, because you don't see how it's being made. But we're trying to save money. We're trying to do better. We're trying to build muscle. So I really need to get back into my meal prep days. I used to be so good about it. Now, not so much. Ah, my finger. I'm literally just cutting it into little chunk-sized pieces. I feel like you can also find at the grocery store already cut into chunks. I didn't, but I'm pretty sure they have that. I got the tenders and I'm just cutting. I feel like it's easier than having to like debone the chicken. Yeah, I'm too lazy for that. This is lazy girl meal prep, okay? Lazy girl meal prep for the gains. The smell. Ew, what? I don't measure. That's one thing about me. I'm an eyeballer, okay? My measurement is an eyeball full. Would my recipes probably taste better? Yeah, they probably would. But turmeric. Again, no, I'm just eyeballing it. Garlic powder. I think Ginger was in the recipe, so we're gonna add her anyways. Pretty much just add any sauce that you have in your what you call it, pantry, spice drawer. Paprika. Oh wait, no, this is chili. That's not good. What is that? Oh. That's chili powder. Smoked paprika. Was curry on there? I actually don't think that. Well, yes, it was. A little bit of curry. And then we have garam masala.
some music in it. Yeah, close to it. I shall not rest until we are both satisfied. Like to be upstairs, Mr. Carl.
Except for you, I like. You were out home late last night, probably considers.
Now that the chicken has marinated a bit, we're now gonna cook that. And then we're also going to start on the sausage patties and the ground turkey. They'll fit. I need one of those like meat mashers. I don't have that. We're gonna add our Taco Bell seasoning. Am I supposed to use this whole thing? Seems like a lot. I should have gotten two, probably, like 2 servings of ground turkey, because I feel like this isn't looking to be that much. So probably only get me like 3 meals, maybe 4, I don't know. It's 4 small servings, but since I am trying to go heavier on my protein, yeah, probably more like 3.
Gas station.
Since the chicken's, I probably should check. No, it's still raw. I'm looking a little burnt, actually. I think I'm done. Okay, whoopsie. So, as a lazy gym girl, one of my least favorite things to cook, rice. I need to invest in a rice cooker because I feel like that would make my life a lot easier. I feel like I never get the rice right when I cook it in a pot, and honestly it takes so long that I'm like, I don't want to do that. So, microwave rice it is. I'm gonna cook both of these, one for the ground turkey and then one for the buttered chicken. All right, so we've got our buttered chicken. We're gonna put the rice on the bottom and then buttered chicken on top and then the garlic naan right here. Good thing I like them crunchy because I definitely burnt them. Hot. Oh, guess we're just choosing one. No! All right, so here are the 2 bowls. That is ground turkey, rice, sweet potato, roasted broccoli, avocado. Same in this one. So we're gonna seal these up. All right, now we're gonna cook the eggs. And I have these little egg things that are supposed to like keep it in like a circle for kind of like McDonald's.
Mr. Colbert, tea.
Bruh, oh, it's oozing out. I did something wrong. We have Dave's Killer English muffins. I'm just gonna do, I think, 2. Because one, mainly I don't feel like cooking more eggs. Cheese. The sausage patties came out a little bit smaller. I'd hoped. Whoops. I have not the slightest clue why this didn't work. I also don't, I guess I just take it. What does that do? Oh, I don't know. I can't even cook a freaking egg. Definitely don't recommend that product. All right, next we're gonna mix up our canned tuna. That way we have that ready. I love to snack on tuna with crackers or even make it into a sandwich. It's high protein. I didn't realize how tiny these cans were. I usually get them at Costco, so I'm a little surprised. Does that look raw? Why does that look raw? I'm not liking how that, oh my God, something's wrong with that one. Like it's making me kind of gag. Like this is not how it normally looks. I don't know measurement-wise how much I'm supposed to use of any of this. So we're just eyeballing everything. Dillweed, pepper, salt, onion powder, garlic powder. Have that ready to go for a snack. Put with crackers, make into a sandwich. We're gonna cut the strawberries for the yogurt bowls and the overnight oats. I think I'm gonna do smaller strawberry pieces for the overnight oats, just because sometimes I don't like big chunks. My yogurt, I do like bigger strawberry chunks. So. We've got our oatmeal. Protein. So we're doing the vanilla 1-up. And I just put a little bit. I don't put the whole scoop because it is a big scoop. Vanilla ice cream, so the flavor, so good. Chia seeds. We like to add a little bit of yogurt, just a little bit texture-wise, to overnight oats. Do peanut butter. Strawberries. Do my yogurt just so it's ready to go in the morning, so I don't even have to like worry about putting that together. I love the Oikos Pro yogurt, just vanilla. This has 23 grams of protein in it. Add some strawberries. Love the Nature Valley protein granola because it has 13 grams of protein, higher calories. So if you're looking to bulk, this is a good option. We have 4 dinners, breakfast biscuits, snack, breakfast, more breakfast. So next time I'll probably add in a pasta. I don't like to do too many of the same meals because I am someone who does get sick of things really fast. I also am just one person, so I don't want it to go bad quick. So I feel like this is a good amount for like one person. Next time I definitely think I'm gonna make a pasta as well. All of the food is done, so now I'm gonna mix up some greens. Got these reusable greens containers for juices from Amazon. So I'm gonna make up like green smoothies with kale, spinach. Now we're gonna make the protein green smoothie. So we have these power greens that has baby chard, baby spinach, and baby kale. And then we're gonna use water and then the lemon Italian ice clear whey to give it 20 grams of protein to it. We have our frozen fruits, so it calls for mango, it calls for pineapple chunks, and then bananas. Ew. I'm gonna skip the bananas just because I need to get a new bag. It says it hasn't expired, but it smells gross. And why is it rotten banana? Like that's, yeah, no. So, yeah, love that for me. So hopefully the taste is still okay with just pineapple and mango.